I have formulated this special manicure and pedicure brightening kit, which has the goodness of lemon, lime, eucalyptus. It also has aloe vera, cocoa butter, shea butter, and a lot of vegetable oils and essential oils, which really help to brighten your hands and your feet and make them soft, look good, feel good, and really it's a wonderful experience. Now I'm going to show you, in this box we have 6 kits. We have a manicure kit, we have 3 manicure kits, and we have 3 pedicure kits. So you'll have the whole box, it'll come like this with 3 manicure and 3 pedicure kits. Now let's open the manicure kit first and tell you what is in the kit. So this is the pedicure kit and this is the manicure kit. So to start off, we'll open it and tell you what's in it and how we're going to go about using it. First, we will have the sanitizer to sanitize your hands. Then we have cuticle softener. So you're going to put the cuticle softener around the cuticles of the hand, and then comes the wonderful lemon salt soak. Now this is a wonderful soak which they'll add to the water, and it deep cleanses your nails, your cuticles, your skin. It really is a wonderful, wonderful feeling also, and it brightens the hands. After that, we will have the lemon hand scrub. Now this lemon hand scrub has specially been formulated with, of course, lemon rind. It also has oatmeal, so it really helps to brighten your skin, and it takes away all the dead cells from the skin. Next comes the lemon hand mask. Then we apply the mask, which helps to brighten your skin, and it really helps to make the hand, like, you know why we use a mask? The reason we use a mask is it helps like to iron out. It's like you iron clothes when they are tired and they're a little bit wrinkled. So you will use a mask to iron out the skin of your hand. So you will find after you use the mask, the skin is going to look really smooth, soft, and very, very good. Then last but not least comes the hand cream, where you get a wonderful massage with this hand cream, and you can do it. It really helps to keep the hands nourished and soft right through. In the pedicure kit, first we have a sanitizer again. So you'll have to sanitize the feet. After the feet sanitizing, we are going and cutting your nails, you're going to use a cuticle softener. So you've sanitized, use a cuticle softener. Then comes again the lemon salt soak for the feet, where it really helps to cleanse your feet and your nails, and it really helps to keep your skin in good condition. In fact, this salt soak prepares the skin on your feet and your nails for the other products to seep into your skin and help your skin. Next, then we come to the lemon foot scrub. So you will use this lemon foot scrub to scrub your feet nicely, and then comes the lemon foot mask. So even your feet, you will find your feet also need to have a mask, so that it will help to keep the skin looking good. It will brighten the skin and make it feel good. And last but not least, again, we have a lemon foot cream. It is very, very important to massage and nourish your feet. And this is one area where we seem to forget quite a lot, but it is important to use all these things and help to think. And after that, I can tell you, your feet are going to look really bright, nourished, soft, and feel very, very good. I really recommend this highly, your manicure and your pedicure. And lemon, since we have now summer coming in, and it's really going to brighten and lighten your skin. So have a wonderful, wonderful manicure and pedicure and wonderful experience, pampering experience.
Step 1. Sanitizer. Spray the sanitizer on your hands and the tools to sanitize and disinfect them. After this, use the sanitizer on your client's hands to sanitize them. Step 2. Cuticle Softener. Apply a small quantity of the softener onto the cuticles and nail folds of each finger. Massage it for 10 seconds on each nail. This will help to get rid of the hard skin around the nails. Step 3. Lemon Salt Soak. Pour the salt into a small tub of warm water. Soak your client's hands for 5 minutes while they relax. After you're done, wipe the nails. Push back the cuticles gently with an orange wood stick. Cut the cuticles if necessary and wipe off any remaining residue. Step 4. Lemon Hand Scrub. Apply the scrub on your client's hands and massage for 3 minutes using damp fingers. Clean beneath the free edge with an orange wood stick. This will remove any dead skin cells on the skin. Step 5. Lemon Hand Mask. Apply an even layer of the mask and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. This will help to treat the dryness. You can rinse it off or wipe it off with a hot towel. Step 6. Lemon Hand Cream. Rub a generous amount of the cream on your client's hands and massage well for 5 minutes. This will help your client relax and improve the blood circulation. Step 1. Sanitizer. Begin the pedicure with applying the sanitizer on your hands and also your tools to sanitize and disinfect. Step 2. Cuticle Softener. Apply a small quantity of the softener on your client's cuticles and nail folds and massage for 10 seconds on each toe. This will get rid of any hard skin around the nails. Step 3. Lemon salt soak. Pour the salt into a small tub of warm water. Soak your client's feet for 5 minutes while they relax. After you're done, wipe the nails. Push back the cuticles gently with an orange wood stick. Cut the cuticles if necessary and wipe off any residue. Step 4. Lemon foot scrub. Apply the scrub gently and massage for 3 minutes with damp fingers. The blend of oatmeal and sugar will exfoliate the feet and help you get rid of the dead skin. And you can also use a foot file to remove dead skin cells. Clean beneath the free edge with an orange wood stick. This will remove any dead skin cells on the skin. Step 5. Lemon foot mask. Apply an even layer of the mask on the feet and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. This will help to treat the dry feet and cracked soles. Rinse it off or wipe it off with a hot towel to get smooth and nourished skin. Step 6. Lemon foot cream. Rub a generous amount of the foot cream on your client's feet. Massage well for 5 minutes. This will help your client relax and improve the blood circulation. Once you're done, wipe it off with a hot towel.